I truly hope you've never had to experience the dark and the cold while the power is down and the weather is going crazy outside. In the U.S., we experience more power outages than any other developed nation in the world. In fact, over 37 million people were affected by power outages last year alone. If we want to keep on the lights, we need backup power, which means we need batteries. But batteries don't last forever. Luckily, with easy battery reconditioning, you can now bring old used batteries back to life. So you're never without important, even life-saving battery power when you need it most, like in a power outage. Click the link below now to learn how to bring old and used batteries back to life again. It's simple and quick to do. Do it now, though, and click the link below so you and your family will never be in the dark and cold again.